In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Trump in Infinite Craft. To get started, go ahead and open Infinite Craft on your browser. You can do this both on the browser version of Infinite Craft and the app version on mobile. Let's get started with the video by dragging water on your canvas and dragging another water on your canvas. Combine it and create a lake. Now, once you've created a lake, go ahead and drag another water and you'll be able to get an ocean. Now, once you mix that with earth, you'll be able to get an island. Now, once you mix island with another island, you'll get a continent. After getting a continent, go ahead and drag the lake on your canvas and combine with the continent and you'll get America. Now drag earth on your canvas and combine it with the wind element. So drag that on your canvas and you'll get a dust. Now go ahead and drag the lake on your canvas and combine it with the dust and you'll get a mud. Now you combine the mud with America and you'll get Trump. And that is how you can simply create Trump on Infinite Craft. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please don't forget to give this video a like. Now, if you have other recipes that you want me to create a video for, don't forget to comment that down below. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.